This is the Global West Coilover front suspension system for first-gen Mustang 64 to 66. This is the upper control arm. Really nice unit. Greasers there, Delum bushings. You can get this with a more traditional front suspension where it'll have the spring perch built into it, but this one's open to have the coilover pass through that upper control arm. It has an offset ball joint, so the caster's built in for 3 degrees. An accessible greaser there. Really good looking ball joint that's removable with 4 bolts. All tubular. Really nice construction. The coilover kit, you also have the top mount, which recesses up into the shock tower. This gives a pivot point that's higher than some of the other kits I've seen. And this is made out of machined billet aluminum. It's a really nice piece. There's the pivot you can see where the top of the coilover shock mounts. And of course I chose to get the Q1 double adjustable shocks. These are really nice. You can adjust for both rebound and compression. And again, I think these are longer units than with other kits for these first-gen Mustangs because of the way that upper mount is recessed up into the tower and the way it attaches to this. This is the lower control arm. This is the only unit I've really seen like this. So in my right hand is what would kind of be the normal lower control arm. Again, this has a Delum bushing, and that's where the lower mount is for the coilover shock. And in my left hand is what would normally be the strut. It's all one piece, the lower control arm and the strut here. And that's where it attaches a 1.5 inch nut. Again, this is all one unit, which I think is unique. This is where the lower coilover attaches, which is further out in other units, other packages for coilover kits I've seen. There's where the sway bar mounts in the bottom, also a greaser there. I think having the sway bar mount below the arm gives you more room for that lower control arm to be mounted further outboard, which gives you better geometry for the suspension. Again, this is the only lower control arm I've ever seen kind of with this construction. It's really unique, so I'll give you a good look at it here. All tubular, powder coated, really nice welding. That sway bar mount is incredibly unique. I'm going to be installing this coilover kit over the coming months. I'll make several videos about it to kind of walk you through the process. If you have any questions about the kit or what the installation is like, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.